Hi, all. Just a midweek reminder session for you. We are finishing up, and I bet it feels really good. So, you just got done taking quiz 7 over sports and bodies, and you've probably, hopefully, already turned in your problem solver project, or you're about to, right? It's due at the end of the week. So, I just wanted to make sure that everybody's on the same page regarding what we have to do in this week that remains. So, you have quizzes 8, 9, and 10 left. That's 8 and 9 are under the food system. One of the quizzes is about Food Inc. It's a Word document that you fill in while you're watching the movie and you email it to me. And the other one is a quiz as per normal. Your quiz 10 is an exam review on Blackboard, and it's found on the discussion board, and there are really clear instructions there about what you need to do in order to give questions in the correct way to allow your peers to answer them in a way that helps them study. So answering the questions is really helpful for you because you're kind of teaching material, and there's a lot of evidence out there that says we kind of remember about 70% of what we say out loud, and we remember 90% of what we teach others. So I encourage you to really take some time constructing those test questions, but then also the test questions serve as an additional exam review for you. So make sure you're looking at the instructions and doing it in the right way so that your peers cannot see the answers to your questions until they scroll down. A reminder, you are going to want to fill out that study guide that's been posted for the final exam. It's pretty complete. In order to do that, you're probably going to need to go back into your reading and, just kind of really make sure all your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted. Take a look at those sample quiz answers that I post on the left-hand side of Blackboard. Just really delve into reviewing for that final. You need to take that final exam by midnight on the last day of class, and your infographic is due at the same time. And you can find that submission spot for the infographic due on that same page where I describe what the assignment is and I give you the assignment description and rubric. I also wanted to let you know that for the last couple of units, I've been trying to comment on people's discussion boards, especially when they're, when maybe you're incorrect or missing the mark a little bit. But I've also been putting some responses just at the top of the discussion board that kind of serve as a reminder or review. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you're watching those weekly videos that I post under the announcements, because that gives some content information as well. Okay, remember that you can reach me during business hours on my cell phone. If you want to text me, you can email me at any time, and I have office hours on Wednesdays from 9 to 11. So let me know how I can help you as we round down the semester. Good luck, everybody.